Hi guys, welcome back. So as I said in the previous lecture, we're now going to start talking about themes. And the first question we want to answer is, what is a theme, if you're not familiar with the concept? So I like to think of the theme as the window display, all right, on your store, the design of the window display, if you like. Okay, so it's kind of like the first thing you look at, the first impression you get of the store. Then you go into the store, that's kind of like the website with all the products laid out and what have you. And then you've got the back end, which is this back end stuff that we're looking at now, the back office. So yeah, this is the theme is what I like to think of as the window display. I hope that helps you sort of conceptualize it as well. It just helps you sort of clarify how this is going to work. So when we get Shopify straight out of the box like this, we get a theme called the debut theme. All right, you can see it here, the debut theme, and you'll see that that correlates exactly with what we are seeing here, right? And every theme is customizable. Obviously, we're not going to have a store with image with text overlay written on it. So what we're able to do is click on this customize button, and you will see that everything will change. So here we go on the left-hand side. There's a whole new menu here, and this is a preview pane. Now what we can do here is we can make adjustments on this side. So just as a very quick example, let's take that image with text overlay. If I clicked on that and scroll down, I could change the heading to something like new heading, right? Just as a silly example. But you see how as I type, this thing is changing straight away over here on the right-hand side. And that's the same all the way down with various things that we can do with the theme. Now, I'm not going to save what I've just done, because the debut theme itself is a very, very simple theme, and it's not really something that we would use to build out an e-commerce store. It's a great start, but it's not really something that we would use. So in the next lecture, we're going to look at all kinds of different themes and how we might apply them to our store to start making it look really, really cool.